Hey, K-drama fans, we all love those heartwarming stories, right? Families and friends sharing meals, laughing together. It makes you feel all warm inside. And one dish you see a lot is Brothers Stew. It looks so yummy and comforting. But in Korea, it's more than just food. It's about love and togetherness. So what's the deal with Brothers Stew? It's also called budae-jjigae, and it has a really interesting story. It came about after the Korean War when things were tough and food was hard to come by. People got creative and used extra food from US military bases like Spam, hot dogs and baked beans. They mixed these with traditional Korean flavors and boom, a brand new, comforting dish was born. It's called Brothers Stew because it gives you that warm, brotherly feeling. Making Brothers Stew is like creating a masterpiece. You start with a delicious broth made with kimchi, gochujang and gochugaru. These give it that spicy and savory kick. Then you layer in the good stuff: Spam, hot dogs, baked beans, kimchi, onions, mushrooms. Add some tofu, noodles and rice cakes for different textures. Let it all simmer until it's perfect. Get ready for a feast for your senses. As the stew simmers, the kitchen comes alive. The bright red broth bubbles and looks so inviting. The amazing aroma fills the air, spicy, savory, and a little tangy. Your mouth starts watering just thinking about the spicy kimchi, the savory Spam, and the sweet baked beans. Brothers Stew isn't just about eating, it's about sharing. Imagine everyone gathered around the table, sharing stories and laughing. Each spoonful of stew brings warmth and comfort. It reminds you of the love and connection you share. Sharing this dish strengthens bonds and creates memories that last forever. Brothers Stew, it's a taste of home, a taste of love. It's more than just a dish. It's an experience. It's a taste of Korean history and culture, a symbol of resilience and resourcefulness. But most of all, it reminds us that the best things in life are meant to be shared. So gather your loved ones, make a pot of Brothers Stew, and experience the magic for yourself.